Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, oh, Thursday, Friday, high and low. Saturday, wave your hands. Sunday, tap your feet. 7 days week. Monday starts the week so bright. Tuesday feels just right. Wednesday's in the middle now. We're doing great. Wow. Thursday's coming. Friday's near. Let's sing loud so all can hear. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, go. Thursday, Friday, high and low. Saturday, wave your hands. Sunday, tap your feet. 7 days make every week. Saturday we jump and play. Sunday's a slower, cozy day. Rest a little, have some fun. Then the week begins again. 1, 2, 3. Let's count and say all the days the right way. Clap for Monday, stomp for Tuesday, spin for Wednesday, jump for Thursday, Friday, read Saturday, yeah, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.